G'day guys and welcome back to Quick Maths. Today we're going to be talking about what an equivalent fraction is. So equivalent means the same. So it's the same as the same. And once we've got our head around that, we can see very easily that we're looking for the same fraction, just written in a slightly different way. And we're going to see this in an example. So let's say you and a buddy make a pizza and you cut it in half. You're going to split it evenly, so you eat this whole half of pizza, okay? So we could say that you ate 1 out of 2 slices, okay? And we know that out of is really code words for fraction, so this becomes 1 over 2 as a fraction. But let's say instead of making your own pizza, you guys went to Domino's and they cut it into 8 slices for you. So in this example, you're still going to split it evenly, but you're going to eat 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. So you ate 4 out of 8 slices. But we can see here that in these circles, you've eaten the same amount of food in both examples. So what we're saying here is that a half is equal or the same as 4 over 8. These two are equivalent fractions. And there's a really easy shortcut to find out if two fractions are equivalent at all times. All you have to do is perform the same operation or multiplication or division to the top and the bottom. Okay, so it's really important you do it to both, because if you only do one, you're going to change the size of the fraction. Okay, so in this example here, we've got 2 over 5. If I wanted to change this into another fraction, I could multiply it by almost any number. I'm going to multiply it by 2, and as long as I do the same thing to the top and the bottom, we're going to be fine. So 2 times 2 at the top is going to give us 4, and 5 times 2 is going to give us 10. So we're saying that 2 over 5 is equivalent to 4 over 10, or they're the same fraction, just in different sizes. We can also do this with division. When we use division, the only thing we've got to look for is can we find a common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So for this example here, I've got 5 over 15. I know that 5 is a common factor for both. So if I divide the top by 5 and divide the bottom by 5, I'm going to be left with 1 over 3. So 5 over 15 is the same as 1 over 3. So my big pro tip for this one is always throw the arrows in. It just means that there is legitimately no chance that you can forget to do either the numerator or the denominator. And this is the big mistake that people make. Okay? I actually always give a mark if you put the arrows in, because it just shows that you know exactly what's going on, and it helps your teacher see that you should get full marks for any of these questions. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you later. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.